Friends, the rain that showed the scene of hair in half of India, the same rain is also showing the terrible form of diseases. And the biggest threat is to see the eye flu. The cases of eye flu are increasing rapidly. People are crowding with problems related to eyes in hospitals. So what is this eye flu and why is it affecting children the most? In today's special episode, we will talk about this. So stay with us till the end. Friends, a few days ago, you have seen the scene of hair in North India. From Punjab to Himachal Pradesh, only water was visible everywhere. And now when this little bit of hair problem has been solved, the rain has given a little bit of relief, so now the diseases have started to show their wrath. People are crowding in hospitals, some dengue, some malaria. There are also a lot of patients with colds. But in the meantime, a big news is also coming out. And that is the problem of the eye flu. When you see the pictures of hospitals, the increasing number of patients will surprise you. And all this has happened because of the rain. As before, there was a danger that so many diseases have spread due to so much rain and rain. But no one had any idea that the disease would affect the children the most and harm their eyes. Not only this, friends, it is just the beginning. The risk of many other diseases is constantly increasing. So many government hospitals are worried about what to do. Now how are these eye flu cases going to increase? What is the solution to this? How can you save yourself? And why are children being most affected by this flu? These are the biggest questions in today's time. Now before I tell you anything further, look at these scenes. These pictures, friends, are saying a lot. The truth that everyone wanted to escape from. People were forgetting the rain as a cold breeze. But now the eye flu has hit, people are in panic. In a school in Gorakhpur, more than 60 students have become infected with eye flu. And in Uttar Pradesh's Hapur, the number of patients is increasing. This is the situation almost everywhere. This is also the case in the district of Bagpat. 10 to 15 patients are coming to the hospitals daily. Let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. The number of patients in all the hospitals in Sagar and Damoh districts is increasing. People are getting the diseases in their eyes. Along with that, the biggest problem is happening in their eyes. Where the eye turns red, there is redness in it. And then slowly the pain starts in the eyes. Sometimes the pain is so much that it is not tolerated. And people run to the hospital. After the situation of the flood in the country, this problem has increased a lot. The flood was not tolerated. The flood terrorized. And now when the situation has started to improve a little, people started thinking that everything will be fine. That's when the diseases started knocking. And the problem in the eyes is now bothering everyone. The places where the flood had come, people are having the biggest problem. This is a very difficult time. First people faced the flood and now they are facing such strange diseases about which no one is able to understand. What is happening in their eyes suddenly? Why are they getting so much pain? And the fire has become completely red. Doctors also believe that the patients who are coming with the problem of eye flu are very scared. This is a very new kind of disease for them. It is a new experience because the problems like cold and dengue malaria have become common. In areas like Rajdhani Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, where the flood has reached, the problem of burning swelling in the eyes, redness of the eyes, pain has become completely common. In every other house, a person is struggling with the problem of eye flu or he has a problem related to fire. This means that eye flu is going to bother them too. This means that they may have this problem in the future. That's why people are very scared. The problem of eye flu is continuously increasing. According to experts, from 2 to 3 years old children to 22 to 23 years old young people going to college, this problem is being seen the most. Doctors are thinking very seriously about eye flu. In fact, it is also called conjunctivitis. It is also called pink eye infection. This infection in the eyes increases every year in the rainy season. Hundreds of cases are seen. But this year, when there was so much rain, the rain has made a mess. In such cases, record-breaking cases are coming forward. In areas affected by eye flu, every other third patient who is coming in OPD is infected with this. The biggest reason for this infection in the eyes is the dirty water of the hair. This infection first spreads through the dirty water and then slowly starts to make its grip from one person to another. Now, young children do not avoid each other. They touch their bags, pencils, and desks from here. Small children also share pencil erasers with each other. This is how the infection spreads quickly. This is the reason why this infection is being found in many people at the same time. The biggest concern here is that the most affected children are being infected. It is not a big deal to spread diseases in the rainy season. The most income of hospitals is in the rainy season. The dirty water of the rain is very dangerous for us humans. It causes us harm, but it also has a limit. The infection of millions of people at the same time is pointing towards a big danger. And this time we are seeing more than before. So what is the solution? How can we protect ourselves and our children from this infection? We can relieve the burning pain and suffering in the eyes. The treatment is simple, and that is to keep a distance. Just like the virus hit 2 years ago and spread all over, then people kept a distance from each other. Now, friends, that time has come again. If you do not want to be a victim of this infection, then keep a distance from people, keep sanitizers with you, and also explain to the children that there is no need to meet too many people in school, college, etc. This is a time when the disease spreads rapidly, and if you want to avoid getting infected, then it is very important to be careful. Small children do not refrain from sharing with each other. This is the reason that if a child is infected, then he also does it to another child. The bacteria of the infected child are also present in his things, and through this they reach others. And gradually this disease starts spreading like a pandemic. If we want to avoid all these things, then we have to be careful and alert. And we have to use things by thinking. Otherwise, this burning and pain in the eyes can bother you a lot. Doctors who treat this infection in hospitals directly say that a person should always stay safe in the rainy season. He should drink clean water and should live in a clean environment. Otherwise, the consequences are something like this. Sometimes this infection spreads so much that the pain in the stomach, vomiting, burning in the eyes, swelling of the eyes, such problems happen. And now, friends, the diseases have hit. Doctors say that now only the eye flu has troubled people. As the mosquitoes grow, the danger of dengue and malaria will also increase. In hospitals, people will be forced to take their last breath by suffering. Because many times when the problem is more, there is no other way but death. Doctors are trying their best. They are explaining to people suffering from the infection that how not to infect others and drink only clean water in the rainy season. Keep the environment clean, otherwise, when mosquitoes come, the danger will increase due to the accumulation of water. In this, it is not necessary that only the affected areas should be affected. The danger of this is increasing all over India. Infection is moving very fast, which is also showing its terror in different states. Friends, we just request you to keep yourself as safe as possible. In the time of the epidemic, the way you kept away from people and kept sanitizing your hands, it is time to do something once again so that this eye flu infection does not bother you. So friends, that's all for today's special presentation. For all the special information of the world, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till